So as you've just seen there, I 3D printed this, and I'll put the link in the description for the files to this. I got it off Thingiverse. And then I took it off my 3D printer and I just gave it a quick sand down. I like to use nail files as they're just easier to hold, and I don't really have any sandpaper at the moment. I then moved on to painting. So I use Arteza outdoor acrylics. So basically these are just waterproof as well. And this one, as you can see, I'm painting it like that green teal sort of colour. And then also included with the 3D files were actually a PDF for the Game Boy Color stickers, the screen, and the game cartridge. So I googled a few games because I wanted some different ones, and I printed these out onto sticker paper. You can just use regular paper if you're going to do this, and then just use glue. And for the screen, I cut the game screen sticker just a bit wider, and I stuck the left and right edges onto the back of sort of the screen panel with some glue, and then took the back off the sticker, as it were, of the gameplay screen to stick this down onto the actual Game Boy. And I also placed this face down onto some acetate, again with glue, just so that this would act as like the screen. So I did actually stick this down, and on this particular one the buttons, you couldn't really press them, so I decided to fix this for my other ones by using a piece of sponge. So as you can see here, I've got this miniature yellow Game Boy Color, and I've got some sponge, and I just cut a piece to fit in the gap where the controllers go, and I made it thin enough so that it took up the space, so that the buttons will be raised when the front panel of the Game Boy Color was stuck down, and then that way you could push the buttons and they would pop back up. And then I glued it all together.